All right, so it is cold and flu season, which means stay away from me. No, we need to up our vitamins, right? Especially vitamin C. And did you know, fun fact, kiwis have more vitamin C than an orange.
It's like double the amount per gram, I think, than oranges vitamin C. So we've actually been eating a lot more kiwis, and I decided, hey, you know, this is a great opportunity for us to rizz up the kiwi and tell you guys about it.
So there's vitamin E, what is it? All the vitamins.
A, K, E,
folate. It's good
yeah.
for pregnancy, it's good for your eye health, it's good for inflammation, gut health. Like this little thing is packed with so much power.
It's an antioxidant, it's anti-inflammatory. It's also really good, incredibly good for digestion. Actually, one of its primary reasons why this is good for you is because of gut health, all the gut health with it. Now, from a culinary perspective, it actually has actinidine in it, or actinidin, and the actinidin is an enzyme that works to break down meats, funny enough. So you can actually take kiwi and you can puree it and you can add it to like pork or some of those overly tough meats that could use a little bit of a sweet flavor, and it'll break it down very quickly, similar to like bromelain in pineapple, which is really the basis of a teriyaki sauce, which is originally water, pineapple juice, and soy sauce. Now the kiwi fruit was actually, it's also known as a Chinese berry because it's originally from China.
I had no idea.
Yeah, so the kiwi fruit, it's Chinese food. People always ask me how do you peel the kiwi, all right? So, well, sorry, I reached over. So this is what,
we have a little helper.
all right, James, you wanna do this for us? So watch this. This is how you peel the kiwi. You cut the end off, all right, and you can save those ends. All right, now, this is the fun part. You take your spoon, you stick it inside the skin like this, and you just run the spoon around the skin of the kiwi, and there you go. Perfectly peeled kiwi, nothing left on there. Oh, you're gonna cut it that way. Okay, that's okay. You can even do it this way, right? So take your spoon around the inside, all right? See, and it slips right out. All you need is a 5-year-old boy, a baby knife, and a spoon. Or let's slice it for you, okay? You can bring this to your brothers. See, look at that beautiful kiwi.